Hi, I'm Angelica Coronado with LA Times Studios. Here are some of today's business headlines. Legislators are calling for California's insurance commissioner to hold carriers accountable for allegedly mishandling claims from fire victims. Lauren Sarmiento reports Pasadena Assemblyman John Harabedian says insurance companies are making it hard for Altadena residents to recover from the fires by delaying, underpaying, and denying their claims. He's calling on Commissioner Ricardo Lara to see that these companies fulfill claims they're legally bound to. Senator Sasha Renee Perez and 5th District Supervisor Catherine Barger pointed these criticisms at State Farm General, which is California's largest home insurer. Perez says a rate hike that Lara recently approved for the company needs to be frozen until victims recover. The insurer says it expects to pay out more than $7 billion in claims. But despite having paid out more than $4 billion already, fire victims are saying insurers are hindering their recovery. California union participation is defying a nationwide membership decline, according to a report from labor researchers. Reporter Suhana Hussain says UCLA, UC Berkeley, and UC Riverside found that the percentage of California residents in unions has held steady between 16% and 18% over the last 20 years. The report's co-author Enrique Lopez Lira says this is because unions in the state are very active and consistent in their organizing. Across the nation, memberships began declining in the 80s and 90s when automation collapsed large industries that relied on them to protect their rights. Successful anti-union efforts from employers also contributed to the downsizing of the workers' groups. Data shows this decline has continued with nationwide participation falling from nearly 14% in 2004 to 11% last year. Despite consistent membership in California, the Trump administration's targeting of federal regulatory agencies threatens to slash into unions nationwide. Make sure to subscribe to the LA Times for these stories and more.